Hi. Oh, hi. You're a slippery little thing. Yes, you are. Ooh. Yeah. Getting a little cold. You getting a little cold? There. How's that?
Use that cup too over there too if you.
Let's get those pits. Yeah. How about those hands?
Run some more water here.
Huh? Coconuts are kind of nice. Okay. We got one hand and one armpit. Ooh. You have to learn to splash. You have to learn to splash. Yeah. Feels kind of nice, doesn't it? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oops. You're sliding down again. Are you pushing off? Go ahead, push up. Push yourself up. Okay. Oh.
It's okay. She's just gonna keep sliding down anyway.
Yeah. Asleen. Asleen. Oh.
Did you get her hands?
Yeah.
Okay. Her hands get stinky. Just gonna force your fingers in there.
Let's make sure your fingers are clean. Oh.
Hi, Lainey.
You're pushing with your feet. Yeah. Hold your neck. Yeah. Did you get this side of your neck? Hmm? Did we?
Hi, buddy. Yeah, she's good.
There.
Yeah, she likes that.
Lainey. Hi, Lane. Hi, Lane. Hi, Lane. Hi. Hi, Lane.
She likes you when you squish her cheeks. Yeah.
Don't you like the water? Oh, feel. You have to learn how to splash. Let me teach you. Open your fingers and go. Big splash.
She likes when you do on both sides.
Yeah. Say, thanks, Grandma. Yeah, say thanks, Grandma.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fun, huh? She wants to talk. Yeah.
Hi. Say hi. Hi, Grandma. You precious little thing. Yes, you are. You want to come home and live with Grandma? Huh? You want to come home and live with Grandma? There's no spice, but there's Mozart and Yoda. We'll make sure you're not allergic to kitties.
Yeah, I was gonna say we'll test your allergies out.
Yeah, we'll make sure you're not allergic to kitties. Hi. Hi, baby. Hello. Hi. Yeah, see? She said yes, she wants to come to Grand Rapids.
Yeah.
She said yes. I want to go to GR. Yeah. Yeah. Let's wait till it's warmer. And you can take you to the beach. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you have the hiccups. Who gave you the hiccups? Who? Who? Say, I want to be a beach baby. I want to be a beach baby. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, you want to be a beach baby. Your beautiful new sundress. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Hello. 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 Say hello. Say hi, Uncle Pete. Say hi, Uncle Robbie. Yeah, say hi, Uncle Pete. Yeah, say hi, Uncle Pete. Hi, Uncle Robbie. Hi, Robbie. Sing me a song, Robbie.